Yo, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing the first mod on the M5. You guys can see it back there. This is a very simple mod. I did this to the 535. You guys saw if you've been watching for a little bit. But today we'll be wrapping the V-brace, the little brace that goes right behind the grills in front. Right now it's currently black, but I've been telling you guys since I got the car, I want to go with a little blue theme. So that's what we'll be doing today. You guys can see the brace right there is black. So I tried to get wrap as close to the color to the brake calipers. So that's what I got today. Let me go ahead and show you guys the color actually, real quick. So this is the color that we went with. It's not that much different. It might be just a tad bit lighter, but it being in the V-brace and not like right next to the calipers, you won't be able to tell the difference. So yeah, we'll be doing that today, guys. And I mean, let's get started. So there's a couple ways to get these grills off. You can go for the way of you can completely take off the bumper if you want, but you can remove the screws on top and kind of finesse your way through the back and pull the clips while you pull the grills out. But I've also seen people like just yank the grills out and nothing happens. Like they come out, no clips break or nothing. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and try that first. I'll be the guinea pig here and try yanking it to see what happens. And if anything happens, then I guess I'll just order new grills. But I'm gonna go ahead and give that a try and see what happens, guys. Both of these, I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on the tripod, pull these out, and see how it goes. Real quick, guys, I just want to give a huge thank you to everybody. We finally made it to 2,000 subscribers, guys. I know for some it might just be 2,000, you know, whatever. But for us, guys, it's a milestone. And the next milestone, you know, we're gonna keep going till 3, 4, 5, all the way to 1,000,000, guys. But the next big milestone that we're aiming for is gonna be 10K. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes, guys. We'll see how long it takes. But nonetheless, however long it takes, we're gonna enjoy the journey and have fun with this. So yeah, anyways, I just want to say that real quick. I'm super thankful for everybody, and let's go back into the video. All right, guys, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and be the guinea pig here. I'm gonna go ahead and try yanking these out basically as hard as I can to see what happens, and hopefully no clips break, but just in case, you know, we'll go ahead and order some new grills. But let's go ahead and try this. By the way, excuse the car, guys, it's pretty dirty, and it has some rock chips. That's the only part of the car that kind of has like damaged paint, because I mean, you drive the car, you get rock chips, you know what I'm saying? But it's all good. Just excuse that. Now let's go ahead and try yanking this out and seeing what happens. So here goes nothing, guys. So as you guys saw, I yanked it out kind of as hard as I can. I kind of yanked it out more from the top-ish, like this, and then like the whole thing just came out. No clips broke at all. It doesn't look like there was any damage here at all either, so that's a plus for us. I pulled it so hard that like I didn't know it was all gonna come out at once like that, and I almost fell back. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and try doing the same thing to this side right here, and if that goes smooth, then we'll go ahead and get straight into the install, or like the wrap, I guess you can say. We're just gonna clean both V-brace with alcohol and then go ahead and wrap it. So let's give this one a try. Yep, both came out. No broken clips. It's pretty dirty under here, but that doesn't really matter. What matters is that there was no clips broken and they're both out. So that's it, guys. Now you know, some people still might not want to do this because it's kind of scary just pulling them out like that. I feel like the whole bumper's gonna fall off or something, or like break or something. But anyways, now we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get some alcohol real quick. We'll get you guys a little closer look. I'm gonna go ahead and clean both of those real good with alcohol, and then we'll go ahead and get the wrap ready. I would say to cut about like maybe like a 2-inch piece, 2.5 inch, and then yeah, we'll be laying the flat part in front and then like pulling the rest to the back. That way you don't see where it's like overlapping or where it was cut. And the front will look good. You won't be able to see the back at all. So here it is, guys. I got these little like blue disposable towels, and then I got my alcohol. Fun little fact, guys. So I was actually supposed to make this video yesterday, And then oh damn, I was supposed to make this video yesterday and then have it ready uploaded, have it ready edited and everything for today, but something came up yesterday and I had no time to do anything. And then we went out to LA to help a friend out with his car. So here I am now at 8 in the morning trying to hurry up so I can film this video, edit it, get the thumbnail, get everything done by hopefully 12, so I can get a video out for you guys. Might go up a little later than 12 because there's not a lot of time, but here I am trying to make a video for you guys super early in the morning. Not complaining, just wanted to let you guys know that, just in case anybody cares. Alcohol is the best thing you can use for this, to wipe it down and help the wrap stick as long as possible. Some of you guys were actually asking me if when I did the last one, these damn planes, man, I never noticed them while recording, and then when I'm editing it's like the plane is 5 times louder than me. Anyways, a lot of you guys were asking me when I did the last wrap, V-brace wrap on the other F10, if it was like heat resistance wrap, and honestly I don't think it is, but it held up just fine. I never got any type of peeling, so I will go ahead and put a link in the description for the wrap that I got. It's only a 12-inch, it's a 12 by 12 inch like piece, but I think 12 inches is just enough for this, you guys can see. And then I think this was like $1, so plus shipping, I don't remember how much it was, but I picked it up locally, so it was just $1, but I'm not too sure how much shipping would be. But anyways, let me go ahead and cut a piece real quick. Alright guys, here we got our strip. By the way, you guys, this does not have to be, damn, I cut it pretty straight, but it does not have to be 100% straight. It doesn't have to be perfect, because like I said, we're putting this over and then we're kind of like folding it back. You won't be able to see the back part. All you really want is to make sure that the front is covering completely. So yeah, let me go ahead and start this real quick. If you did want to get a bigger piece just in case, and then you want to order from the website that I did, they sell bigger pieces. I just ordered this. Well, I ordered it as a sample because I didn't know which color to get, because I got a couple different blues and this was the one. But I'm gonna go ahead and install like this either way. Like I said, I personally don't think it has to be perfect. Alright guys, here goes nothing. Let's see. That should be good right there. I want this a bit more. There we go. That should be good right there. So like I said, you want to lay it down and then you kind of want to rub it over the front of the piece to make sure that is all smooth and you don't get any bubbles, because that's the part that's actually going to be showing. Yeah, this looks nice. And then you're gonna just want to like slowly start laying down the back, or like the sides. Same way, just kind of rubbing it down. And then I would do one side first and then the other side, just in case there's overlapping. You don't kind of overlap each other. You kind of overlap one on top of the other, not like both of them at the same time. And as you guys can see, the whole bar, okay, you guys can see a little bit over here, that's where it's cut off. But honestly, that part is not really going to be showing. There's probably like half an inch or less over there that's showing black, but the rest of the bar is blue. Can't really see it from this far, but I think it'll look better with the grills on. Obviously it's not gonna look that good with the grills off and just one wrapped. But compare real quick, this color, if you guys were to see it like this instead of seeing it like right next to each other, that color with that color, what do you guys think? I think it looks pretty good. Anyways, let's go ahead and do the other side real quick so we can put the grills back on, and then we can show you guys the after look. So let me know if you guys like this video, or like this type of video. I think I'm doing a little more talking and explaining a little bit more like of what I'm doing. Usually I would just kind of tell you guys what to do and then cut to the part where it's done, but I'm kind of showing you guys as I'm doing it. So let me know if that's cool, or if you guys prefer the quick, not really in-depth videos when I do stuff like this. Now, as you guys can see, it's both of them. But yeah, there you go, guys. You guys can't really see it from too far. Maybe if I kind of move the camera settings a bit, so that it shows more from down there. But I'll go ahead and put the grills on, move the car back a little bit in the sun, and show you guys what it looks like. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Grills are on, which looks so much better already, even though you can't see the bar or the V-brace. But let me see. But you guys can see a little bit right there, the blue. It's kind of weird angle though. I've never really liked this angle on any car. It just kind of makes the front look kind of weird. But you guys can see the blue right there. Let me go ahead and pull the car back a little bit, and then we'll see how it looks from in the sun. So might as well give you guys a little cold start. Haven't started the car this morning yet. So unfortunately I can't really set the camera up in any way to show you guys what it looks like from far away, but you guys can see the blue a little bit right there. I think it looks pretty cool. It really matches the calipers a lot. If only you guys can see it from like over here, like it's actually really noticeable, and there's barely any sun actually hitting inside, like behind the grills right now, and it's really noticeable, so at least in person. But I can already imagine what it's gonna look like when there's like sun hitting it and it's like really noticeable. But anyways, yeah guys, I think it looks pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If only you guys can see it like this much, but from far away. Anyways, it is what it is. I'll go ahead and try to get you guys a actual like picture and put it at the end. But dude, I cannot get over these headlights, guys. Oh my god, it looks so badass. This car looks so badass. Alright, so I came down to this little spot that I know real quick to see if I can get you guys a better look of the grills. And you guys can see it a little better right here in this like lighting or whatever. But you guys can see the blue right there. It actually looks really nice, guys. I actually really like it. And looking at it from this angle, you guys probably can't see it too much, but I can see the grills and the calipers, and it actually matches really nice. So that's actually what I wanted. I wish you guys can see it in person, because it looks a lot better in person than it is on camera. But anyways, there you go guys. There goes the video for you guys. The blue right there. We're in the super bright sun, so you guys will see me squinching my eyes a lot. But if you did like the video, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all of that. And yeah, without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.